going to use sweat solder to solder this bezel right on this heart. The bezel is already soldered in the back, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to prep it. I'm going to put flux in the area where I need to solder it. Put it back in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my this is already hot, that's why I'm going to use my Hummingbird third hand, and it's going to hold it right there. Now all I got to do is solder it together. It's done. Well, this one here, it's hot flame, and because I'm using copper needs quite a bit of heat in order to start working, and the bezel itself is silver, so if I put it on the silver too much, it might melt. So what I'm doing, I'm going from the bottom and trying to get the solder to melt down. So right now this is done. So all I have to do is just take it out, and that looks pretty good. I'm just going to put it in the pickle. Okay, so I got another one that I gotta do, which is another heart. I'll do the same thing. Put the flux right there. And I'm going to take my bezel, put it on top, right here. Line it up. This is kind of hot a little bit, so try to be. Here you go. Roughly about there. So now use the torch again. Yeah. Really? Okay, and that easy. These Hummingbird, they really work pretty good. You can hold it, and as you can see, the heart is round. Actually, it's not flat surface, and that makes it very good. So now I just put it back into the pickle, and then when it comes out, I still need to solder the bail right here in the back. I'm going to use easy solder for that. Okay, thanks for watching.